नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? स्टडिंग वेल? डूइंग योर होमवर्क प्रॉपर? गुड. Study proper. Take care your pronunciation. Okay, 2-3 time read. Okay children, how much you will read, your pronunciation will be more good. Okay, so read carefully, and when I'm teaching, listen carefully, because Hindi is based on pronunciation. How you will pronounce it, you have to write same thing. Okay, so today we will start our new lesson, lesson 6. Okay, lesson name is बंदर और मगरमच्छ. बंदर, you know what is that? ब पे अंग की मात्रा बन, द र, बंदर. और म ग र म हाफ च एंड छ, मगरमच्छ. बंदर मीन्स monkey. बंदर मीन्स monkey. मगरमच्छ मीन्स crocodile. Magarmachh means crocodile. So where monkey is living? Monkey stay on tree, on the tree. Crocodile, where they are living? Crocodile, where they are living? They lives in water. Okay. So in this story, there was a river, and near the river there was a tree. On the tree, monkey is living, and in that water, river water, crocodile, magarmachh is living, and both are best friend. Crocodile and monkey is in the story best friend. So I'll read the story for you. Okay, बंदर और मगरमच्छ. अरे बंदर, र पे की मात्रा रे. अरे बंदर, अरे बंदर. Who is saying अरे बंदर? बंदर means monkey. So crocodile is saying अरे बंदर means hey monkey. जामुन तो बड़े मीठे हैं. You know that monkey which tree he is sitting na, that is berry. That is berry tree. Blackberry, you know na? Blackberry, there is a fruit. It will be black color or very dark purple color. So that monkey sitting on blackberry tree. So he is saying जामुन तो बड़े मीठे हैं. Blackberry in Hindi we will say जामुन. जामुन तो बड़े मीठे हैं. This blackberry is very sweet. Again monkey is saying हाँ. हाँ means yes. बहुत मीठे हैं. Yes, it's very much sweet. थोड़े भाभी के लिए भी ले जाओ मित्र. Bhabhi means here, Bhabhi means sister-in-law. Who is sister-in-law here? Crocodile wife. Crocodile wife, he is saying Bhabhi. Okay, in Tamil we will say Anni. In Hindi we will say Anni. In Hindi will be Bhabhi. Okay, so थोड़े भाभी के लिए भी ले जाओ मित्र. मित्र means friend. मित्र means friend. So what monkey is saying? Yes, blackberry is very sweet. Little take for Anni also, or little take for Bhabhi also. So children, turn the page. You can see in picture, 2 crocodile is there, 2 magarmachh is there. Okay. कहाँ से लाए हो इतने मीठे जामुन? Okay, this is crocodile and this is crocodile wife. So crocodile wife, she is asking with crocodile, कहाँ से लाए हो? कहाँ से means where? From here you have bring this sweet blackberry. Second one, पेड़ पर मेरा मित्र बंदर रहता है, उसी ने दिए हैं. So that crocodile is saying on that tree, I have a monkey friend. He gave to you this blackberry. Now, बंदर रोज इतने मीठे फल खाता है तो उसका दिल तो बहुत ही मीठा होगा. That crocodile wife, she is saying this blueberry is too much sweet. monkey is eating daily this much sweet blackberry, so how much sweet his heart will be? His heart will be too much sweet. कल तुम अपने मित्र को दावत पर बुलाओ. Tomorrow that crocodile wife is saying, tomorrow you call your friend for dinner or lunch, okay? Give invitation to come to our house for lunch, okay? मुझे उसका दिल खाना है. I want to eat his heart, okay? The crocodile wife is saying, I want to eat that monkey heart because he is eating too much sweet berry, na? His heart will be too much sweet, so I want to eat. मैं उसे कल ही लेकर आता हूँ. That crocodile is saying, okay, tomorrow I'll bring him in the house, okay? बंदर दोस्त, तुम्हारी भाभी ने तुमको दावत पर बुलाया है. So crocodile here, you can see in picture, he is talking with monkey. He is saying, friend, your bhabhi, like your Anni, called you for feast. Feast means lunch or dinner. Someone is calling in your house. So dawat par bulaya hai means you can say your sister-in-law, your Anni has called you for lunch. Monkey is saying, ऐसी बात है तो चलो. Oh, this is the thing. Okay, come, we will go. Now that crocodile on the way, he is talking with monkey. बंदर तुम्हारी भाभी कहती है. Monkey, you know your भाभी means your Anni. She is saying, मीठे जामुन खाकर तुम्हारा दिल भी बहुत मीठा हो गया है. She is saying, eating too much sweet blackberry, your heart also has become too much sweet. वह तुम्हारा दिल खाना चाहती है. She want to eat your heart. तो monkey is asking, तो अरे मित्र, यह तुमने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Okay, so that monkey is saying, oh friend, why you didn't say me in the beginning? So that monkey told, friend, you should say in the beginning, वह तो मैं पेड़ पर ही छोड़कर आ गया. I have left my heart on the tree only. चलो वापस चलकर ले आते हैं. चलो वापस चलकर लाते हैं. Come back, we will go there and I'll bring my heart. चलो चलो जल्दी चलते हैं. Come, we will go fast. Now what happened? Monkey is going back on the tree. Okay, fast he is going back on the tree. In the picture you can see. Now when he is reaching on the tree, he is saying, अरे मूर्ख, दिल क्या पेड़ पर होता है? Oh fool, heart will be on tree. Heart is inside the body. क्या तुम मेरे साथ नहीं चलोगे? क्या तुम मेरे साथ नहीं चलोगे? That crocodile is asking, are you not coming with me? So crocodile is asking, are you not coming with me? So now monkey is saying, you can see in picture, Are dusht. Oh bad person means, Are dusht means in a bad way he is saying, oh cheater. हाँ, तुम धोखेबाज निकले. You are a cheater. हाँ, you are a cheater. धोखेबाज means cheater. अब तुमको जामुन भी नहीं मिलेंगे. Go. Now I'll not give you blackberry also. Okay. That monkey got angry with his friend because he had cheated him. Okay. So he is saying, you are a cheater. Go. Now I'll not give you blackberry also. So what is the moral of the story? दुष्ट लोगों से मित्रता अच्छी नहीं है. With this type of cheater people, we should not keep friendship. Otherwise, with bad people, we should not keep friendship. Friendship with wicked people is harmful. Okay? If you are keeping friendship with bad people, it will be harmful for you. Okay, children? So, how was the story? It was a good moral story. Okay? Okay, we will start our word meaning. बंदर, ब पे अंक की मात्रा बन, द र, बंदर. बंदर मीन्स monkey, MONKEY, monkey. मीठा, मामा पे बड़ी की मात्रा मी, ठा ठा पे आ की मात्रा ठा, मीठा. मीठा मीन्स स्वीट, SWEET, स्वीट. स्वीट मीन्स मीठा. प पे ए की मात्रा पे एंड र, पेड़. पेड़ मीन्स ट्री, TREE, ट्री. दिल, द पे छोटी की मात्रा दी एंड ल, दिल. दिल मीन्स हार्ट, HEART, हार्ट. हार्ट मीन्स दिल. Okay children, now we will go for exercise. Okay, page number 38, question number 2. Here what we have to do, दिए गए वाक्यों पर सही या गलत का निशान लगाइए. Okay, mark the following as correct or wrong. I will read for you and I will tell you. Okay, बंदर और मगरमच्छ में मित्रता थी. बंदर, monkey and crocodile were friend. Wrong or right? In this story, monkey and crocodile both is friend na? So this is correct answer. Here we have put correct. मगरमच्छ की पत्नी बंदर की पूंछ खाना चाहती थी. पूंछ means tail. So what they are saying, मगरमच्छ wife want to eat monkey tail. Is it correct? That wife, she want to eat monkey tail or heart? She don't want to eat tail. Okay, so that is wrong. मगरमच्छ बंदर को पालकी में लेकर गया. तो पालकी means a type of what I will say, something like 4 people will they will make you sit and they will take you. Okay, that is called palki. Old time people are using when car, rickshaw was not there. So how he has taken? Did he use anything to pick up him? No, that monkey has make him sit on his back. So this is wrong. बंदर असलियत जानकर रोने लगा. When monkey got to know what crocodile or crocodile wife want, they want to eat, did he start to cry? No, he didn't cry. Wrong. So we have put here wrong. बंदर ने मगरमच्छ को धोखा दिया. Monkey had cheated crocodile. Is it? No, monkey didn't. In the story, monkey didn't cheat crocodile. Crocodile had cheated monkey. So this is also wrong. Okay children, same page number 38, we will read question answer. Okay, बंदर कहाँ रहता था? बंदर कहाँ रहता था? Where monkey is living? Where monkey was living? Answer will be, बंदर जामुन के पेड़ पर रहता था. Monkey was living on blackberry tree. Okay, so where monkey was living? Monkey was living on blackberry tree. बंदर जामुन के पेड़ पर रहता था. बंदर मगरमच्छ को रोजाना खाने के लिए क्या देता था? Monkey daily what he is giving to eat? Monkey what he is giving daily to crocodile to eat? Okay, he is giving something. Now what he is giving? Blackberry. So बंदर मगरमच्छ को रोजाना जामुन खाने को देता था. Okay, जामुन means blackberry. Daily he will give blackberry to eat. मगरमच्छ की पत्नी को क्या चाहिए था? What crocodile wife want? मगरमच्छ की पत्नी को बंदर का दिल चाहिए था. Crocodile wife want monkey heart to eat. मगरमच्छ बंदर को कहाँ ले जाना चाहता था और क्यों? Crocodile where he want to take monkey and why? मगरमच्छ बंदर को नदी में अपनी पत्नी के पास ले जाना चाहता था. Crocodile want to take monkey in the river to his wife because his wife want to eat monkey heart. इस कहानी से आपको क्या सीख मिलती है? What you are learning with this story? दुष्ट लोगों से मित्रता अच्छी नहीं है. दुष्ट means bad. So we should not keep friendship with bad people. This is the moral of the story also. So we are learning with this story. दुष्ट लोगों से मित्रता अच्छी नहीं है. Okay children, now we will go for page number 39. Question number 3. चित्र देखकर नाम लिखिए. चित्र देखकर नाम लिखिए. Look at the picture and write the picture name. Okay. What is the first picture? Crocodile. Crocodile in Hindi what we will say? Magarmachh. What is this? Magarmachh. See here, cha is half. What is the second picture? Monkey. Monkey in Hindi what we will say? Bandar. Ba pe ang ki matra bandar. Bandar. What is the third picture? Blackberry. Blackberry in Hindi what we will say? Jamun. 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 What is the next picture? Tree. What is this? Tree. Tree in Hindi what we will say? Ped. 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 Okay. Next what is this picture? River. River in Hindi what we will say? Nadi. Nadi means river. Now we'll go for exercise number 4. सही पर्यायवाची शब्द से मिलान कीजिए. पर्यायवाची means synonyms. पर्यायवाची means synonym. What is synonym? Many words will be there, but their meaning is same. Okay, different pronunciation will be there, but meaning will be same. Okay, so here one side word is there, other side synonym is there, that we have to match. Same thing you match in your book also. Ped. Ped means tree. Ped means tree. What will be the synonym? Vriksh. What will be synonym? Vriksh. So vriksh and ped, both meaning is tree. Bandar. Bandar means monkey. And bandar, other word what we will say? Vanar. Vanar also monkey, bandar also monkey. So ba and va, same letter is there na? You can easily find out. Third one, nadi. Nadi means river. Sarita. Sarita. Sarita also river, nadi also river. So both is nadi, sarita. Both meaning is river. Mitra. Mitra means friend. Dost. Dost also friend. Okay. So mitra and dost both are friend. Okay children, now we will go for page number 40. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरिए. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Here some option is there. We have to read and write the correct sentence. Okay. भाभी ने तुमको दावत पर बुलाया है. Two option is there. तुम्हारे और तुम्हारी. री की मात्रा. Okay. ई की मात्रा is there. So when we are talking about any female, okay, any girl, ladies, with that always छोटी ई की मात्रा will come. Okay. If boy is there, आ की मात्रा और ए की मात्रा will come. So तुम्हारी भाभी. भाभी is a lady. Okay. So here correct will be तुम्हारी. So you have to write here तुम्हारी. Okay. I have tick and write. Same thing you copy in your book also. बंदर रोज मीठी और मीठे. If one fruit, मीठी will come. Lot of fruit, मीठे will come. Okay, plural. मीठे means here plural. Sweet. बंदर रोज मीठे फल खाता है. Monkey daily eating sweet fruits. So here correct answer will be मीठे. वह तो मैं पेड़ पर ही छोड़ आया. Okay, so भी नहीं, he will come, first one will come. Okay, he. उसका दिल तो बहुत मीठा होगा, होगी नहीं, होगा. Okay, because they are talking about monkey and monkey is a male. Okay, so here होगी will not come, होगा. Okay children. See children, here your activity is there, you have to do by yourself. Okay, किन्हीं 4 फलों के चित्र बनाकर उनमें रंग भरिए. Draw and color picture of any 4 fruits. So what you have to do, as per your wish, you have to draw any 4 fruits and color also. Okay, you do yourself. Okay children, so what will be your assignment today? You have to write word meaning for lesson 6. Lesson 6 word meaning you write, question answer write, and complete page number 38, 39 and 40 book exercise. Okay, so page number 38, 39 and 40 book exercise, question answer and word meaning you have to complete. Okay children, thanks, have a good day.